Are you ready to make your HubSpot content more visually engaging and professional? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to use images in HubSpot, step by step. By the end, you'll know how to upload your images, organize them, and easily add them to any type of HubSpot content, whether that's a blog post, an email, or a landing page. Let's jump right in and unlock the power of good visuals in your marketing strategy. First things first, let's talk about getting your images into HubSpot by using the File Manager. Think of the File Manager as your digital library. It's the central place where all your images, PDFs, and other assets live inside your HubSpot account. To get there, sign in and navigate to Marketing, then scroll to Files and Templates, and select Files. If you can't find it immediately, take a breath. It's tucked away in the navigation bar, but it's always there when you need it. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner of your screen for a button labeled Upload Files. This is where you'll start bringing your content to life. So go ahead and click that Upload Files button. Now, select your images from your computer. HubSpot supports the most common formats like JPEG, PNG, and GIF. That means almost any image you use in your everyday work will fit right in. If you're unsure which format to choose, JPEG is great for photos, while PNG is better for graphics with transparency like logos or icons. Once you pick your files, they'll start uploading. Depending on your internet connection, this part might take a few moments, especially if you have high-resolution images. Don't worry if you see the spinning wheel. It just means HubSpot is working in the background to process your files. Once the upload is complete, your images will appear in the File Manager, and you're ready for the fun part, actually using those visuals in your content. Let's move on to inserting images into your HubSpot content. Whether you're crafting a blog post, designing an email, or building a landing page, the process is quite similar. Open up the editor for whatever content type you're working on. You'll usually see a sidebar that lets you drag different types of modules into your layout. Look for the Image module. It's typically labeled Image, and all you have to do is drag it into the spot where you want your picture to appear. Think of modules as building blocks. By moving them around, you control the design and flow of your content. Once you've placed the Image module, click into it. A sidebar or pop-up will appear, often with a button that says Select Image. When you click it, HubSpot brings up your File Manager so you can browse all the images you've uploaded. If you just uploaded your image, it should be right there at the top. But if not, don't worry. You can use the search bar or scroll through your folders. Select the image you want. If you realize you need a different picture, you can even upload a new one directly at this stage, which keeps your workflow smooth and flexible. After you've chosen your image, click the Select or Insert button. That's it. Your image will appear in your content. You might want to adjust the size or alignment. HubSpot's editors make it straightforward, and you'll see the changes immediately. Adding visuals really helps to break up text, emphasize important points, and make content more memorable for your readers. If you ever make a mistake, just undo or swap out the image. HubSpot's design tools are forgiving and user-friendly. So, that's how simple it is to make your HubSpot content stand out with images. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and happy creating in HubSpot.